Hello, if you are watching this, then you need a little help with osmosis problem solving. So I'm going to open up your test that you took. And we are going to go to osmosis. So this is about osmosis. We want to look at what's in the cell and what's outside in the solution and decide whether the cell is hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic. Hypertonic means there's more water outside the cell than inside the cell. Hypotonic means there's more water in the cell than outside the cell. Isotonic means that there is the same amount of water inside and outside. So what you were supposed to do is decide whether each cell is hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic. In this one, 90% water inside, 85% outside, so this is hypotonic because there is more water in the cell. This one, you have 40% water in the cell, 90% water outside the cell. So there's more water outside, less inside. So this is hypertonic. This cell has 90% water. This solution has 90% water. So it is the same. It is isotonic. So that is how you do these problems. If there's more water inside the cell than outside, the cell is hypotonic. If there is less water inside the cell than outside, the cell is hypertonic. If there is the same amount of water inside and outside, the cell is isotonic.